Good afternoon. So today we are going to be talking about the MicroPro grill. The MicroPro grill is an amazing product from Tupperware. It does exactly what it sounds like. It is a grill that goes into your microwave. So let me go ahead and show it to you and show you the parts of it. And then I'm going to do a demo. I'm going to show you what it looks like when you cook steak inside the MicroPro grill. So the MicroPro grill, it's got the silicone on the outside that will help protect you when it heats up. That's the MicroPro ring. I'm going to explain that one in just a minute. And then on the inside here, this is the base. On the inside, you see a non-stick surface, okay? And now you also got a non-stick surface under the lid itself. So, and this lid can go on two ways. So it can go in either the upright position where it rests on this ledge here. This is what we like to call the casserole position. It's made for when you want to make something in it that's more like, what do you know, a casserole. So, and then you have the grill position. So when you put it in the grill position, it actually goes down into the MicroPro grill, and that allows this surface to actually come in contact with your food. So that way it's actually got contact with a hot element on both the bottom and the top of your food. And what that does for you is it speeds up the cook time, because now you're getting a sear on two sides of your food at one time. You don't have to go in and flip it like you would with a lot of other products. Or if you're sitting there on the grill, if you're grilling outside or working in a frying pan on the stove, you got to flip it. You don't have to in this because it's cooking both sides at the same time. So one thing I will note for you is this is a non-stick surface. So being a non-stick surface, you do not want to put this into your dishwasher. The reason being is non-stick surfaces, and not just from Tupperware, this is from any company. The way they're designed, they do not hold up for long periods of time if they're using the dishwasher. And that's because the dishwasher, the jet, sprays so hard in order to get that food off your dishes when you're running them through the dishwasher. But because it sprays so hard, with non-stick surfaces, it can actually get below the non-stick surface and cause it to flake off over time. So regardless, whether it's Tupperware, whether it's some other brand, I don't care. If you want your non-stick pots and pans or your non-stick MicroPro grill, anything that has a non-stick surface, if you want it to last, wash it by hand. It is well worth it to do. You'll notice that they last a lot longer that way. The MicroPro grill, though, it is made of metal. It is perfectly safe for your microwave. That is metal that goes in the microwave, believe it or not, and it is perfectly safe. Now on the inside here, you've got this channel, so that's going to allow, like if you're cooking burgers or something like that, it'll allow the fat and stuff to drain off and puddle in the channel, and that way it doesn't get reabsorbed by your food, which is a good thing because you don't want that in your food. You want it to stay out and stay out of your system too when you're eating it. So then we have the sister product of the MicroPro grill, which is the MicroPro ring. The MicroPro ring goes into the grill. You can see it fits in it perfectly, so that if you want to make something that and you want to contain it to that nice round shape, that gives you the ability to. One of the things we do in here is we will actually make a cookie cake in this. And we may do that demo for you some other time, but today we're doing the steaks, but you can do a cookie cake, you can use it to do a quiche, anything that you want to have that nice round shape. The MicroPro ring, while designed for the grill, is also oven safe, so you can put it into the oven as well. The grill itself is not. Do not put this in the oven. It is not oven safe. It is meant for the microwave and for the microwave only. So keep that in mind. Don't put it in the wrong place. So today, though, we are going to be doing some steak with it. So we're going to go ahead and season up our steak real quick. And I've got two New York strips here that I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to season both sides of these. Put whatever seasoning you prefer on your steak on it, that's fine. But don't over season it. One thing, if you get a nice piece of a steak, you spend all that money so that you could get a good piece of meat, and you don't want to cover up the flavor of that meat. You want to enhance it. So just add enough seasoning to enhance the flavor, not cover it up. So now that we have that seasoned up, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put the MicroPro grill into the microwave for about 2 minutes to preheat it first. And then I'll be right back after that, and I'll show you why when I get back with it. Okay, so we're back with the MicroPro grill. I have it preheated now. I put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, which is more than enough time. In about 1.5 to 2 minutes, it will actually heat up all the way to its maximum heat, which is 425 degrees. And you can hear why I did that. I'm getting that nice sear on the meat already. So I'm gonna put this into the microwave now to cook the meat, and I'm gonna pull it out and I will show it to you when it's. So we're back with the finished products. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out and show it to you. Let's go ahead and pull this lid off here. And you can see the steak is done, at least to my liking. It may not be done to your liking, but I like mine a little more on the rare side. But we're gonna take it out, we're gonna let it rest for a little bit. And you can see all the fat and everything that's pulled up in there, so we're gonna get rid of that. Now, one thing I did not explain earlier is the metal actually shields the microwaves from ever hitting your food. So it's the heat plates in the lid and in the base that actually do the cooking. It's not the microwaves itself. So you don't have to worry about your food getting that rubbery texture that you might get from the microwave if you were to just pop it into the microwave on a plate. So we've got the steak here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut one open. I wouldn't normally cut it open right away like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut it open and kind of show it to you. You can see it's cooked it all the way through just about. So it is a well-cooked steak. And if you want it to be rare, you just cook it less time, just like you would on a grill. So that is the MicroPro grill. Thank you for watching.